Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Google Search Console for website optimization. To do that, step 1. Verification. To verify, sign in to your Google account, click on the Add Property button and enter your website URL. Choose a verification method from the option provided, then follow the instructions specific to your chosen verification method. Step 2. Submitting a sitemap. Once your website is verified in Google Search Console, the next step is to submit a sitemap. Step 3. Monitoring performance. Google Search Console provides valuable insights into how your website appears in search results and how users interact with it. And last, optimization and fixes. Based on the insights gained from Google Search Console, you can make informed decisions to optimize your website. So that's how to use Google Search Console for website optimization. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!